Asterisk digital marketing jobs in Canada. How to find opportunities asterisk. Canada offers a thriving job market for digital marketing professionals, with a wide range of opportunities available across industries. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newcomer to the field, navigating the job search process in Canada requires strategy, persistence, and a solid understanding of the local market dynamics. Here's a guide to help you find digital marketing jobs in Canada and kickstart your career in this dynamic field. Asterisk 1. Understand the Canadian job market. Asterisk. Before diving into your job search, take the time to research and understand the Canadian job market for digital marketing professionals. Familiarize yourself with the industries that dominate the market, emerging trends, and the skills and qualifications employers are looking for. This will help you tailor your job search and position yourself as a competitive candidate. Asterisk 2. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Asterisk. Your resume and LinkedIn profile are your first impressions to potential employers, so it's essential to ensure they are up to date and tailored to the Canadian job market. Highlight your relevant skills, experience, and accomplishments, and include keywords that are commonly used in job postings to increase your chances of being noticed by recruiters. Asterisk 3. Utilize job search platforms. Asterisk. There are numerous job search platforms and websites in Canada where you can find digital marketing job postings. Some popular platforms include Indeed, LinkedIn Jobs, Glassdoor, and Monster. Set up job alerts for digital marketing roles in your preferred location to receive notifications about new job openings that match your criteria. Asterisk 4. Network with industry professionals. Asterisk. Networking is key to finding opportunities in the Canadian job market. Connect with digital marketing professionals, join industry groups and associations, attend networking events, and participate in online forums and communities. Building relationships with industry insiders can lead to job referrals, mentorship opportunities, and valuable insights into the job market. Asterisk 5. Explore company websites and career pages. Asterisk. Many companies in Canada post job openings directly on their websites and career pages. Take the time to explore the websites of companies you're interested in working for and check their careers section regularly for new job postings. This is a great way to discover opportunities with companies that align with your values and career goals. Asterisk 6. Consider freelance and contract opportunities. Asterisk. Freelancing and contract work are becoming increasingly common in the digital marketing industry, offering flexibility and autonomy for professionals. Consider exploring freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where you can find short-term projects and remote opportunities. Building a portfolio of freelance work can also enhance your credibility and attract potential employers. Asterisk 7. Leverage professional associations and resources. Asterisk. Joining professional associations and organizations in the digital marketing industry can provide access to valuable resources, networking opportunities, and job listings. Consider becoming a member of associations such as the Canadian Marketing Association, CMA, Digital Marketing Association of Canada, DMAC, or Interactive Advertising Bureau of Canada, IAB Canada, to stay connected with industry trends and opportunities. Asterisk 8. Prepare for interviews and job applications. Asterisk. Once you've found digital marketing job opportunities that interest you, it's essential to prepare thoroughly for interviews and job applications. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each position, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. Research the company and be prepared to articulate how your skills align with their needs during interviews. Asterisk. Ready to find your dream job in digital marketing. Asterisk. If you're ready to kickstart your digital marketing career in Canada, we're here to help. Contact us at +91 9864 170 or +91 9864 855058 for a free consultation. Our team of experts can provide personalized guidance, career advice, and support to help you find and secure your dream job in the Canadian digital marketing industry. Don't wait any longer, start your job search today and take the first step towards a rewarding career in digital marketing. Conclusion. Finding digital marketing jobs in Canada requires a combination of research, networking, and preparation. By understanding the local job market, updating your resume and LinkedIn profile, utilizing job search platforms, networking with industry professionals, exploring company websites, considering freelance opportunities, leveraging professional associations, and preparing thoroughly for interviews, you can position yourself for success in the competitive Canadian job market. With determination and perseverance, you can find your dream job and embark on a fulfilling career journey in digital marketing. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। Globe *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।